Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you a quick and easy way to fold kids thermal wear so it stays neat and takes very little space. Let's start. Tops, lay the thermal top flat, smooth out the wrinkles, fold one slips in and then the other slips. Now fold the top vertically into three parts and this gives you a clean and compact rectangle. Leggings, lay them flat and straighten and the fabric. Fold one leg over the other. Now fold from the ankle upward into two or three folds depending on size. To leggings on the folded top, fold the top around it like a small package. This keeps the thermal set together and easy to find in the cupboard. It is perfect for travel bag, school winter uniform or wardrobe organizing. It saves a lot of space and keeps clothes wrinkle free. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe for our video. More kids clothing hacks and winter organization tips guys. Till then, bye, take care and thank you for watching my video.